We always start with taking out the battery, right? And that's a safety measure, just to make sure we don't get shocked up working on the Chromebook.
You're at the Butler Traditional Chromebook Repair Station, and we're a unique program in that we fix all of our computers and Chromebooks in-house.
Now we can get it done in about 2 days. So it's vastly improving the efficiency that we work on them.
This is a good thing because students get real-world opportunities to work on live Chromebooks. They also get college credit, and it's a class environment, so I get to instruct the kids on best practices.
Senior year, I was put in this class, and Mr. Deal taught me a lot about it. And there was district people who came down, and they're the people who work on Chromebooks usually, and they taught us kind of how to do everything.
They get to see the whole process of everything from taking in the Chromebooks earlier in the day. They get to repair them, and then they get to go in and log tickets and finalize the repair.
So right now what I'm doing is taking off the screen. So you just take off these 4 screws in the bezel like I already did before. We do this in-house now, and it improves time.
We're averaging about 4.5 to 5 Chromebooks per day.
Fixed Chromebook.
Everything from broken screens to broken keyboards, trackpads not working.
I mean, I've always just had a fascination with how computers work.
It's pretty amazing that the kids can do it. A lot of kids are in class all day, so this is a lot more hands-on. And it's a good opportunity to explain to them the concepts, because they have to take a class first on how computers work and all the parts, so that the younger kids get to see this is the end product of learning all this material, that junior, senior year, they can actually fix them.
For me especially, this is, my line of work. This is going to be my career, is, working on computers. So it's very helpful because I'm getting that hands-on experience.